Namaskar to all. Now, friends, in the last time, we coming with the live practical demo like a first, second, third, six, and eight. Now, today, we are going with the practical number seven. Now, this practical number seven have two part, like part one and two. So today we showing only the part one, and the next time, next week, we showing up part two. So, friends, here the practical number seven is a very easier because this practical have no table, only the one readings we observe in the laboratories written directly and then after solve the equation. But before that, the first time, first we solve the equation. We found the answer and this answer we just only showing in the live demo. Whenever this answer should become near or near equal. So friends, today we going with the part A, but friends, some here today we are not showing a live demo because of this live demo definitely we showing directly with you because only single one readings the practical length only 1 minute, so definitely and confirm we showing after the school start. I showing this practical how can you found the length of the wire because now this practical we want only the length of the wire. So let's we start. First it is a aim. So to convert the given galvanometer into an ammeter of a desired range like 0 to 30 millimeter. So friends, here this practical it is a conversion. Means now we converting galvanometer values into a millimeter range. So as per syllabus, we converting galvanometer to 30 millimeter maximum. It is a theoretical practical. So we want some required materials. So first we want galvanometer, two numbers of one-way key, millimeter, R box, shunt box, battery, wires, and the sandpapers. Now the connection. Circuit diagram. Here, friends, suppose you asking the question here. Sir, it is a circuit diagram we are showing in the previous. Yes, it is a practical number 6.1. Same circuit diagram. Nothing any change. Like a battery, G meter, both the key K1, K2, R box and the shunt box. So why here I put again? Because now this practical number 7a part, it is a repeat base of the part, sorry, practical number 6.1. So same circuit connection, same diagram. So इसमें change क्या है आप लोग पूछ सकते हो. So what is the change of given the circuit diagram? So only the one change you showing between G and the battery, you connect directly only the millimeter, and then after remaining part is the same, friends. So very simple circuit connection, circuit diagram. Now the circuit connection. The same circuit connection we showing in the practical number 6.1. Some minor changing we show that. Okay, see here. So we want like some setup. Setup means a battery, R box, G meter, millimeter, and two keys. Simple key K1 and simple key K2. And then after one shunt wire. So first we connection start from the G meter plus. Now from the G meter plus, we connect here a two terminal. Now one wire go to millimeter plus and second go to battery plus. Now you see here from the G meter plus we connect two terminals, one for the battery plus and second for the millimeter plus. Now from the G meter minus we connect here both the simple key K1 and the K2. Now from the K1 we connect R box And from the remaining R box, we connect here battery negative. Now remaining millimeter minus to remaining K2. And then after we connect here a one shunt wire with G meter. You saw here is a green, orange wires. So it is a simple connection. Now every time I coming with the live practical demo, but today I am unable to showing you a part A live demo practicals because I asking you before. Then after school start, I definitely showing you a live practicals on that place in laboratories because that place it is possible. I try my best to give in the live demo of 7A in the future. So here in this practical have no observation table. Directly we have some observations. It is a known value. Sometime the examiner given in the exam time. So first we want to value. So first we want value. It is a G galvanometer resistance given. Given means this value given from the examiner. Otherwise, as a time of practical, you copy from the practical number 6.1 because practical number 6.1 we found the value of capital G. So that table average value 152.55 ohm. Now second value figure of merit. It is a value directly copy from the practical number 6.1. And friends, suppose examiner not given the value of figure of merit. So how can possible be written? You know, I asking you in the time of practical number 6.1, the figure of merit value have 10 raised to minus 5 power compulsory, and before that 1.2.3 any value when you return. Suppose you have no ideas or examiner not given. Then after number of division on the either side of 0 of the galvanometer scale. So it is a 30. Now then after we want a value of Ig. What is Ig? The value of Ig it is a current capacity of the galvanometer. So Ig we directly calculation with the help of G meter values. So first value 0.02 it is written on the G meter on this screen, and 30 is a maximum division. So we directly multiply 0.02 multiply 30. So we found answer here 0.6 millimeter. Now we using a wire. So first we found the value radius of the wire. So before that we want a screw gauge. Last year we using here on that the laboratories. So first list count of the given screw gauge. It is a 0.001 centimeter. And then after error we found here after correction and the observed diameter of the wire. So it is a 0.020 centimeter directly given by the examiner, and suppose not given. So very easy, you found again with the help of screw gauge. So definitely we found the diameter average 0.020 centimeter, and then after radius d by 2. So radius r is equal to 0.010 centimeter. Now the value. Given value of specific resistance of the material, like it is a density, we showing in the screen 2.65 multiplied 10 raised to minus 8 power. This value again the non value given by the examiner. Definitely this value you have not because you perform the practical on the time of exam. So which type of wire using know only the examiner. So first we here because no table, no here live demo. So directly calculation. So first this calculation directly coming from the observations. So equation shunt S is equal to Ig, current capacity of galvanometer, multiply G by I0. I0 means it is a 30 our range is a millimeter, and Ig again the current capacity of the galvanometer. So we put here now 0.6 Ig, but we converting in the ammeter. So 0.6 multiply 10 raised to minus 3 power. Then after capital G, we have the value 152.55, I0 30, and Ig again the current capacity of the G meter. So after solve this equation, we found the value as 3.05 multiplied 10 raised to minus 3 power O. Then after required length of the wire, it is again the known calculation. Without perform the practical, you solve this equation like L is equal to S pi R square by density of the wire. So So S value again coming from the sun, and we put here like a 3.05 multiplied 10 raised to minus 3 power, like pi 3.14. R coming again from the observation, it is a 0.010. We put here square by density of the wire, it is a 2.65 multiplied 10 raised to minus 8 power. So after solve the equation, we found the answer here 36.13. So it is a theoretical length. After we perform the practical and found the length. So as per the live demo I found in the last year. So that means I written here the value of the length of the shunt wire for the desired range, it is equal to 93 centimeter. Okay. So after we observe, we found again shunt, because here we compare mathematical and the practical. So again the equation shunt from the observed length is equal to L dash multiply density by pi R square. So that base we found the value. So after solve the equation, so L dash we have a 93, we put here directly. Now density we have 2.65 multiplied 10 raised to minus 8 power, pi again 3.14, and the R again radius of the wire. And after solve the equation, we found the final answer as this is equal to 7.85 multiplied 10 raised to minus 3 power. So friends, after we compare both the value from the calculation, we found the value 3.05 multiplied 10 raised to minus 3, and after observe, we found the value 7.85 multiplied 10 raised to minus 3. So here, no, like you found, not more changing, because 10 raised to minus 3 is a common, just only you found the first value 3 point and the 7 point. So friends, here we directly showing the practical and each and every one. Now this all the readings, all the observation copy in your record books, because we want to complete our record books also. And then after starting the school, I definitely check all the readings and all the practicals, because it is definitely we want in the exam time you are complete the record book with my sign. So friends, now next time, next video, I coming with the practical number 7 again, because this practical have two parts like a 7b again, 7b. Now that practical, the aim, galvanometer converting in the voltmeter range. And friends, we means I coming with the live demo of the 7b practical. So that time also the simple connection, simple practical, and the single one readings, no observation table, and the observations directly copy from the 7a. First we copy from the 6 in 7a, and in the 7b we copy from the 7a. So okay friends, next time definitely we coming with the 7b, but before that you copy 7a from this video. Hope so you watching this video and giving your ideas how to sewing, and then how you perform this practical. Okay friends, so next time we meet with the 7b part.